Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Begin by charging your Oppo A12 battery to at least 50% before starting. Gather a reliable USB cable and a Windows PC for file transfers. Download the correct color OS recovery package for Oppo A12 from the official Oppo support site. Verify the package name exactly matches your model to avoid bad flashes. Enable developer options on the phone if accessible, and allow USB debugging briefly for file access. Keep a backup of important photos and contacts. Connect the Oppo A12 to the PC using the USB cable and allow file access. Copy the Color OS recovery package file into the phone internal storage root folder. Safely eject the phone and power it off fully before the next step. Boot the phone into recovery mode using the power and volume down key combination held together. Use the recovery menu to locate the recovery package file in internal storage. Select the package and confirm installation when prompted by the recovery interface. When the recovery install finishes, the recovery menu will show completion and options. Choose Reboot System Now from the recovery menu to restart the phone normally. Wait patiently, as the first boot can take up to 10 minutes while optimizing apps. If the phone fails to boot, repeat the firmware install or perform a factory reset carefully. After the phone boots to the home screen, restore your backed up data and re-enable developer options if needed. Confirm all core functions like calls and Wi-Fi work correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.